How to measure distance on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Measure application on your phone. The Measure app uses augmented reality or AR to act as a virtual tape measure for gauging the size of real-world objects and spaces. To measure any distance, move your iPhone around until a circle with a dot in the center appears on the screen. Position the dot over the starting point of your measurement and tap the Add button. Then, move your iPhone slowly until the dot is over the ending point, then tap the Add button again. The distance between the 2 points will be displayed on the screen. If you want, you can also capture the measurement by tapping on the Shutter button, located on the right side of the plus icon. You can tap on the measurement displayed on the screen to view the numbers in detail. Following these steps, you can easily measure distance on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.